In this video, we'll show you how to set up a SPAC Electro-Pneumatic Regulator. To set up the E2P, we need three components. First, the SMPS converts AC to DC. Second, a current source 0 to 20 mA or voltage source 0 to 24 VDC. Third, the Electro-Pneumatic Regulator E2P. In E2P, you can choose between NPN and PNP types. In this demo, we are setting up a PNP type E2P. First, let's look at the wire connections. Blue is for negative. Brown is positive for display and internal functions. White is the input wire. Black is for output. Give external common supply to the current source. The E2P and current source are now running. Provide air supply to the E2P and connect a pressure gauge at the output for accuracy comparison. Now let's configure the E2P. As you can see, the screen is locked. Press the down key for 2 to 3 seconds to unlock. Press the set key, F1 appears. This is for minimum input pressure. Set minimum input pressure to 1 bar using the up key. Press set again, F2 appears for max input pressure. Set maximum input pressure to 5 bar. Press set again, P1 shows for minimum output pressure. Set minimum output pressure to 1.5 bar. Press set again, P2 appears for max output pressure. Set maximum output pressure to 4.5 bar. You can also refer to the technical data sheet for additional functions. To enter function settings, unlock the screen again. Now press and hold the set key for 2 seconds, F01 appears. Use F01 to set the pressure unit, bar, PSI, kPa, etc. Use the up key to change units as per your requirement. Press the set key to confirm and exit. Let's see how pressure responds to current fluctuations. Press the side arrow key for 3 seconds to enter levels. Use the middle key to change the level and the square key to enter. When current increases, pressure increases simultaneously. Green light turns off if pressure is out of range and turns on when it's within range. Now your SPAC Electro-Pneumatic Regulator setup is complete and ready to use. Discover the power of SPAC Pneumatic and revolutionize your pneumatic solutions. Just drop a "Hi" at our WhatsApp number 0120473333 or visit our website www.spacpneumatic.com for more information.